How you doing? Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Boston. Today I'm going to take you through this brand new 2025 Galeon 500 Fly. This boat here, one of the really nice features of this boat is this rear seat. You can see this goes all the way around, so if you're at the dock, you can sit facing aft. And when this is in the aft position, this is where your grill's going to be. So really cool feature. As we come into the 50 Galeon, one thing you'll notice that's very unique to the boat is the fold down sides, both port and starboard. You'll also notice that even with the doors, Galeon has built-in doors here, so when you're at the dock, getting on and off, it's not an issue. Really, really cool feature. As we come into the salon of the 50, again, very unique to Galeon is going to be both opening doors, port and starboard. So even for a big boat, you can open these big windows, slide this back, this folds down, put the side down, and now you can be sitting facing out. And it does the same thing on the port side. So now you've got a boat that turns into a 20+ foot wide boat, giving you much more usable space in just 50 feet. As you come in, you'll notice, of course, our galley is going to be port side. For refrigeration, we've got a refrigerator hidden here. We've got another refrigerator hidden here. Really nice job Galeon does with storage. You can see all the drawers. You've got overhead storage. You've got a 4-burner Kenyan cooktop as well as a convection oven. Of course, your freshwater sink there. And again, you can be entertaining. And when you open this here, now this bar folds out, and now you can be serving people out there sitting on the terrace out there. So really, really cool feature. As we come in, you'll notice very open feel. You'll notice it's a very bright boat. That's due to all the windows. This boat has the new 50 hull side windows, so you'll see as we go through the downstairs staterooms, there's a lot of light. Up here, you've got a nice big U-shaped seating here. This can go down to make another berth here. There is a pop-up flat screen TV here behind this couch. Another nice feature, the helm seat here, sitting forward, and just by moving this back, and look at how nice that is. Now you've got a nice big couch here on the starboard side. So very, very versatile. Helm, really nice appointed acrylic dash. We've got our 2 big red marine screens. This boat's equipped with bow and stern thruster, so super, super easy boat to maneuver around the dock. This has Volvo D11s in it. Of course, this boat is equipped with the Seakeeper gyro as well. So I'm gonna take you downstairs. I'm gonna show you the 3 staterooms. We will start here with the starboard over-under bunk stateroom. And again, the first thing you want to notice is that big hull side window, and look at how nice it is even for your guests or children if they're in here in the bunk room. And then as we come forward into our VIP stateroom, again, nice sized berth, a lot of natural light in here given from the overhead and the hull side windows that carry the full length of the boat. Both hanging closets, of course, storage under the bed here. Here on the port side is going to be your guest/day head. Again, you're going to have a separate shower in there, hull side windows you'll see. So again, a lot of natural light even in the head. As we come into the aft, you'll notice here your master head. Again, big hull side windows that carry throughout the hull. So look at how nice the natural light is in there. So you just don't have a dungeon feel. And as you come down here into the beautiful master stateroom, again, plenty of headroom in here, full beam master, big hull side windows, no obstructions there, so you can see how beautiful this is if you were out on an anchor. There is a washer dryer combo here, and of course a nice big closet here for the master. Again, this is the brand new 2025 Galeon 500 Fly. For more information, please contact me at 401-569-3874 or visit us at MarineMax.com. Thanks again.